Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio, doing a flip through of my Vintage Easter Cards Volume 2. There's 111 printable cards and it's 20 pages. It's available in my Etsy shop and in my Ko-fi shop, and both of those links will be down below. Super sweet, really happy with how they turned out. They print up beautifully. There's a volume 1 as well. That one I'll link that one below too, so you can see the flip through and the listing for it. So pretty. Oops. Pages stick together really easily. Sorry. Page 13. Some of the images are sideways just because I can fit more on the page when I do that. Really beautiful. Love these ones so much. Oops. There we go. So that is the 20-page Vintage Easter Cards Volume 2 digital, and they are linked down below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.